Welcome to My Mushroom Health, fungi you can feel. Today's video we're going to be talking a little bit about Cordyceps mushroom benefits, so let's get started. Little history. Cordyceps are well known in traditional Chinese medicine and have been used for centuries to treat many health ailments. Cordyceps look different from most common mushroom species. You see the picture here, they're kind of wild little alien looking things. So what is it? The Cordyceps mushroom also has health benefits. When a Cordyceps fungus attacks a host, the mycelium invades and eventually replaces the host tissue, as you will see on the next slide. This makes it an extremely antifungal agent. Most Cordyceps species are endoparasitoids, meaning parasitic mainly on insects and other arthropods. Study links can be found in the description area of this video as well as on our website. This shows the absorption. This was a dead bee. It had died on the ground near rotting wood, where most fungi tend to grow and expand with the right conditions, and you can see the mycelium is actually absorbing the bumblebee. It's pretty amazing stuff. Targets. The Cordyceps mushroom is a natural fungus mushroom that has adaptogenic properties. This means it wants to target various inflammation within the body. Adaptogenic molecules like CBD, which is a cannabinoid, peppers, and mushrooms tend to go to the area of most inflammation first. So they are in fact smart molecules that belong in your body. Species. Of the more than 400 species of Cordyceps discovered, 2 have become the focus of health research: Cordyceps sinensis and Cordyceps militaris. Support. Well, Cordyceps are thought to increase the body's production of the molecule adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is essential for delivering energy to the muscles. Many active people using Cordyceps who exercise frequently state that it helps them with energy, like lion's mane mushroom as well. Some studies show increased oxygen to the muscles with Cordyceps supplements. The elderly have traditionally used Cordyceps to reduce fatigue and boost strength. Immune benefits. One of the most important effects of the Cordyceps mushroom is that it can boost your immune system. Test tube studies have shown that Cordyceps can affect the genes in white blood cells, which are critical parts of your immune system. Studies have found that some forms of Cordyceps may alter inflammation pathways in white blood cells. Some molecules found in the mushroom can increase the activity of a type of white blood cell called killer cells, and these killer cells help to form antibodies to attack toxins. Cancer benefits. A study of breast cancer survivors found that over 50% consumed Cordyceps supplements. Several test tube studies have shown that it can lead to the death of some cancer cells. Some research showed that 1 year of treatment with Cordyceps decreased the number and size of tumors in the large intestine. And again, you can see the NCBI links in the description area. Anti-anxiety. The study examined its effects on 100 people with chronic anxiety and found fatigue was reduced and well-being was improved after 8 to 10 weeks of taking the supplement. Another study found that fatigue was reduced and quality of life was improved after 4 weeks of taking Cordyceps in a group of breast cancer survivors. Mycelium influences the 5-HT1 and the 5-HT2 receptor, which is a serotonin receptor in the brain. It's also a G protein coupled receptor. Other health. All mushrooms, like Cordyceps, high in polyphenols, show it may increase good HDL cholesterol and decrease triglycerides in some people. Antioxidants are molecules that can help prevent damage to your cells. Foods and supplements that enhance antioxidant benefits in the body help to reduce the aging process. This is our 4-in-1 complex. We call it mycelium gummies. Contain 4-in-1. They have Cordyceps, reishi, lion's mane, and turkey tail all in a balanced gummy. 250 milligrams of activated mycelium compound in each great tasting gummy, with 30 chews per bottle. Most products are not activated mycelium. And we also have a 10-in-1 complex. Remember, there's no nasty powder taste or repeating. You won't get that burping up that is so common with powdered mushroom products. And more for your money, don't be fooled by low-cost items on Amazon. Many retailers sell products with 10, 20, or as low as 50 milligrams per serving, which is not typically enough to benefit you, or you just have to take a lot of them. Our mycelium chews are 250 milligrams per gummy, or a total of 7,500 milligrams per bottle. Capsules often contain fillers rather than 100% mycelium, and others will sell non-activated mycelium compounds, which means it's not activated, which skips a vital process, and non-activated mycelium is not as bioactive in the bloodstream. Many popular mushroom products do not taste good, especially the powders. Now, we also have wholesale pricing for anyone who may want to sell our products or white label them on your website or in your store. Please reach out and contact us, and we'll be happy to get you some information on that. Person to person, this is very important. Each person's metabolism is unique, and this means you should always start your Cordyceps supplement slowly with a small dose. Typical starting dose is 1 gram per day, or about 100 milligrams. Slowly increase your dosage if you choose, and monitor your results. Any unwanted symptoms, stop immediately, and a large dose over time would be about 2 to 4 grams per day, or 2 to 400 milligrams. And when it comes to side effects, in rare cases, some people do experience unwanted symptoms, especially when consuming too much too fast. So more is not always better, so go slow. Loose stools and stomach aches are possible. Avoid if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, have a blood disorder, or will be undergoing surgery, or have very low blood pressure. Thanks and be well. Thanks for your time and consideration. We hope you found value in this material. If you do, please feel free to share it with somebody. Anyone immune compromised or who just needs to better their health could use some of this information. And again, don't forget, do something nice for somebody you don't even know today, or every day for that matter. There's just not enough of that in the world right now.